it's open, clip this on and put on the toilet seat. Clip it on as well, and the cover. Okay, once it's totally set up, it's done. Okay, you can push this into any toilet bowl seat because it can fit into any toilet bowl. We have sold a few thousands of it. Okay, so far there's no toilet bowl height or width it cannot fit in. Yeah, because the leg is adjustable. Just press this button. Okay, you can fit up or down. Okay, to fit into any size or height. Okay. In any event, if you are using it in a room, okay, stationary to put beside the user's bed, okay, you can just lock the wheel. This Commode chair comes with 4 locking systems for all the wheel. Okay, you can just release it by simply pressing one button. Okay. Okay, for the room use, okay, for the bedroom use, you can just put the pail here. Alright. And in any event, if you're not using this Commode chair, okay, within few seconds you can just keep it. Okay, like this. Put this down, and you just need to close like this, and it's done. Okay, it's always in standing position. You can lift this and put it inside or behind the car boot, or just lock it inside any place if you're not using it. It saves a lot of space. And with this Commode chair, the beautiful part is, okay, the material and the welding and the finishing is almost flawless. It's very beautiful. It looks so class because of its finishing is chrome in color. Okay, the finishing is chrome, and it's the user will definitely love it. Yeah, because it looks so high class. Okay, our Commode chair, the material is very different from those lousy and economical, because ours is using a much thicker tube, okay, and not those lousy one. As you can see, this is a comparison between ours and most of the more economical and cheaper lousy Commode chair. Oh, this kind of tube is what they're using. As you can hear the sound, ours is a much thicker and robust material, which was guaranteed gonna last much longer. Alright, and I believe I have covered every aspect of every part of this Commode toilet chair. Okay, and thank you so much.